Hello, in front of me I've got Madden NFL 25. In this video I'll show you how to create a league. In the beginning let's go to franchise and go to create new league. Here you can select between play offline solo, play online solo or multiplayer. Select roster file. Select week. Choose team.
The team you want to start your franchise with. Use the options on the left to edit league settings and choose what role you want to run the show as, a coach or an owner.
Now you can start playing or change role, use custom coach and manage league settings. And it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.